Palak, how are you?
Hi Riddhi, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good too. So nice to see you once again. Nice to collab with you once again.
That's really good and great for me as well.
Yeah, so guys, I hope that you have seen my previous two videos with Palak. She is placed in three of the day one companies, which are very good companies like Capgemini, Accenture, and TCS. So in this video, we'll cover about the TCS part. Accenture and Capgemini link is given in the description box, so you can go there and you can visit. एंड ऑल्सो इन दिस वीडियो हम लोग इंट्रो पार्ट कवर नहीं करेंगे अगर किसी को जानना है उसके बारे में तो यू कैन रेफर टू द प्रीवियस टू वीडियोस नाउ वी विल डायरेक्टली जंप इनटू द इंटरव्यू एंड selection part of TCS. So Palak, over to you.
Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you so much. So before starting for that TCS written entire scenario, I just like to mention that अभी at present काफी सारे patterns change हुए हैं companies के. Since it's a global pandemic and everything has changed,
Yeah.
तो रिद्धि बहुत सारे पैटर्न चेंज हुए हैं तो
Hmm.
I'll just give a short comparison between the written pattern of my time and your time, that is 2021 pass out students, okay, and rest all you might have known because your written has started from 24th October, so you will get well versed and you must be aware of what kind of a question and what is the platform and everything. So
Yeah.
I'll just give a short briefing about it. First thing is that we had written and we had an opportunity to select Ninja as well as digital. Okay, or we could select both the roles. Now digital is again it's a package of 7 LPA and Ninja is 3.36, and the package remains the same for 2021 as well. Fine. Now, here what happens, we gave a test specifically for TCS. You guys are going to give a test for NQT, National Qualified Test, which is not just for TCS. TCS is one of the hiring companies amongst many companies. So you have an opportunity to go into various other companies as well, apart from TCS, while giving this test. So you have to give this test, in a much different way. Now, see, since there are many companies linked or associated with it, so pattern is changed. There is a slight change in the pattern, which you guys actually need to observe and understand. So initially, for me, for us, no, for our batch, it was like कि हमारा verbal ability, everything was there. सब में problem क्या था कि there was a negative marking. As far as I've heard, तुम लोग के लिए negative marking नहीं है. Please cross
Good
check.
part.
हाँ, actually, this is a good part. You should always read the instructions carefully. वहाँ पे everything is mentioned. ठीक है? One more thing, interesting thing is there कि TCS का जो exam का जो application रहता है, I know it's really very मतलब difficult to understand at one go, but there is a calculator button at the right most or left corner somewhere. You can actually use that calculator. So जितना भी aptitude का questions है, mostly they give this calculator. They gave it in my time, so obviously I'm not giving the exam again. So I don't know, but you guys can actually should have a look on that entire screen, and if you find one, you can use that. There is no issue in that. Fine.
Yeah.
हाँ. Then thirdly, I'd like to say that कि जो भी तुम्हारा questions है ना, जो basic जैसे aptitude के questions है, basic probability और जो time, cost, these things, percentage, profit and loss, ये सारी चीज जो basics है ना, they are very important for aptitude. For verbal ability, English, there are simple English language के questions, ठीक है? In our times, we also had that fill up blank questions, which were again very important. Fill up blank questions में तुमको options नहीं मिलते हैं, ठीक है? You have to read that question and you have to answer that question according to your own understanding. So, kind of a subjective question, and you just have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Now, like coding questions, like there's a section called programming language logic. Programming logic, we had only 10 questions. You have more than that in programming logic. There'll be like around 24 questions in verbal ability, 30 questions in reasoning ability, And aptitude will have around 26 questions. And programming logic, we also had 10 questions. You'll also have 10 questions. So in programming logic, most of the questions are not MCQ, and they are fill in the blanks question only. So in fill in the blanks question, you don't have negative marking. Okay, we did not have, and I guess you don't have it at all in your paper, which is again a very big plus point for you. Uh,
Yeah.
but one thing which you actually have is we have two coding questions instead of one. We just had one coding question and we had to complete it and something like this. But you have two coding questions, you have a duration of 45 minutes and you have to complete it within 45 minutes. We generally had to do one of them, okay, but you have to do two questions. Now it is very simple. In our times, we chose digital or ninja, and if we did good in ninja, so we were selected for digital. That is, अगर हमारा code properly run किया या फिर everything was good, our test cases passed, so we were selected for digital. If we had opted for digital as well, so we could have opted for both of them. Most of us did that only. बट दिस टाइम डिजिटल के लिए आई गेस पहले से ही ऑलरेडी हो चुका है अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे एंड द रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट दिस टाइम and apart from this I guess you might be undergoing your written examination, so you might be aware of everything else or the criteria and everything and how this happens. These things are very much available and you might be aware of it. One boon which you have actually is that this test score is valid for 2 years. So for 2 years, you can use this test score, and you can get selected to the companies who have collaborated with this examination.
Oh, that's nice. That's a very good part.
Yeah, that is all from my side from for the written point of view, because everything else is actually clear to them, so there is no need to.
Yeah, this video came out a little bit of late. So,
Actually.
yeah, but no problem. I hope that this would help those guys, maybe who are yet to give the exam. And yeah, Palak, you talk about the coding questions in your time. It was only one question. So, किस तरह का question था? Do you remember the
Very
question?
simple questions. Very simple questions. You will go in to internet and if you write that coding questions for TCS examination, written examination, you'll get them. They were like factorial, GCD of two numbers, and palindrome, reverse. These types of questions generally come for the TCS examination, and
मतलब
of course,
simple straightforward question
हाँ
थी.
हाँ हाँ थोड़ा ट्विस्ट वगैरह you can expect, but
हाँ.
very little. You just have to see and understand, and I'm sure if मतलब तुम basics कर लियो, then you
Hmm.
will be able to do it. No issues in that.
Nice then. Okay, so written के बाद any information about what will happen after the written, those who qualified
Written
written?
के बाद you won't get an instant information. After a few days, we got a mail from TCS. The mail ID which you might have given, those mail ID में you got a mail, and the ones who were not able to qualify, they also got one, and the ones who did, they also got one. So the ones who were able to, they were told their interview details will be shared, and we had to go to our nearest TCS office available and give our interviews.
So they only provided you the venue, the location,
Ah,
the time.
when
But
venue, time slot, everything.
yeah, but since this time the pattern is changed, and since there are a chain of companies who would contact us, I guess, no, like you said.
हाँ हाँ
So, तो उसके बाद मतलब जो रिटर्न क्वालिफाई करेंगे, तो after that list of from a list of companies, some companies might contact them.
हाँ मतलब डिपेंड्स जैसे everyone anyway will this is an off campus interview. तो
Yeah.
ये ऑन कैंपस तो है नहीं कि आपका कॉलेज आपको इन्फॉर्म करेगा, तो जो भी मेल या फिर जो भी पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट यू हैव केप्ट इन योर फॉर्म, तो उसी के थ्रू दे विल कांटेक्ट यू. इट कैन ईदर बी मेल और फोन कॉल्स और टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस. Generally it is a mail because it's a very formal conversation.
Hmm.
So they generally contact through mails.
So it might happen कि किसी को एक या दो मतलब दो से ज्यादा या एक से ज्यादा कंपनी कांटेक्ट करे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे तो बहुत सारी कंपनीज है, तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है।
It might actually happen, but
हाँ,
I am not really very sure of what I should say right now about it.
yeah, actually because this is the very first batch that would be giving
हाँ,
like
मतलब
this.
कि टीसीएस का जनरली एग्जाम अलग से ही होता था, ये
हाँ,
एनक्यूटी एग्जाम होता था, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं, दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम एनक्यूटी इज हैपनिंग, बट एनक्यूटी अलग से पीपल यूज्ड टू गिव, एंड
हम्म।
टीसीएस का अलग से एग्जाम होता था। ऐसा नहीं है कि थी, अभी इस बार टीसीएस उसके साथ ही कोलैबोरेट कर दिया है और बोला है कि we'll have this one single exam, the common exam together. So how
ओके।
it actually happens is, again it will be a surprise for all of us.
हम्म। अब ये लोग के ऊपर है हाउ दे विल परफॉर्म।
If they perform good, you can get into any other company as apart from TCS as well. So
हम्म।
they are giving a bunch full of opportunity. So it's on us how we grab it and how we actually use it. So
Okay, just let's just forget about this part. You just tell
yeah.
your interview experience because the questions might be same and
Ah,
might be yes. So you
yeah.
can just tell about your questions and your
Yeah,
experience.
sure. See, actually, what happens now, even in the written or any place when the pattern is actually changing, the pattern is changing means that they are actually elaborating the thing. Okay, they are not saying that they are today they are asking you, today they are asking you from aptitude. So now pattern has changed, so they will ask you from social science or from moral science. They're not asking such questions. They will be asking the same old questions, but obviously in an elaborative way.
Yeah.
It's simple. So my interview experience, as far as as you've asked, there are 3 rounds of interviews in TCS till our batch. This has to be mentioned in every interview nowadays.
Yeah.
So there were 3 rounds of interviews for me. One was a technical interview, which was an eliminate, and all these interviews were eliminatory rounds. And if you reach the third interview, this doesn't mean that you are actually selected. You might be rejected after that as well. So, first round of interview generally is technical, then it is the HR, and then it is the MR interview. MR is the managerial interview, and HR is how HR interviews are.
Yeah. Yeah.
So basically, what happens is the technical interview, which is there. Now, see, because there was a lot of people giving the interviews, so this sequence might be changed for some people and might be different for the others. But generally, what happened was that technical interview was the first interview. After technical interview, around 50 to no, not 50. Actually, there were around 60 to 70% of people were rejected after the technical interview.
60 to 70%.
60 to 70%.
Wow, large number.
There were a lot of people there in interviews, and 60 to 70% of people were rejected after the technical interview, and few made it after the technical interview. Now, technical interview, they were not asking you, very difficult questions as such. It entirely depended on the interviewer. All I could say is that if you are writing something on your resume, you need to be a very, very, very sure about what you are writing in the resume. And apart from that, you have to have basic knowledge of C, uh, Java, or whatever. One is C is the basic, the father of all languages, programming languages.
Yes.
And you are going for day one company ka interview, so you should know the basics. What
Hmm.
was I asked? I was asked what are preprocessor directives, what are macros. Then he asked me that apart from scanf and printf, what else are present in that stdio.h, which we can use directly. He asked me to write a simple program of, I guess, a perfect number. And then he asked me, these questions are really very simple, but again, they are actually important.
Yes.
What are null pointers? What are dangling pointers? What
Hmm.
are, such questions
So
he
मतलब
asked.
TCS में जा रहे हो तो C करके जाओ because many students just ignore C and they go for
हाँ,
other
हाँ.
languages.
See, अगर तुम एकदम से it depends on the interviewer as well. अगर तुम
Hmm.
किसी और के बारे में बहुत confident हो, तो you need to take that person to your comfort zone. That
Yeah.
ये तो है. And also there are times when you can undergo that stress interview as well. If the person says ki no, you are not aware of this, or you are not doing this very properly, and this interview can last from like 15 to 45 minutes range, any time. मतलब बहुत लंबा भी जा सकता है, बहुत छोटा भी हो सकता है. And the length of your interview does not depend, it is not directly proportional to your probability of getting selected. This is something which you need to understand. So, and also there can be times when you're not able to answer questions, okay? But the person sitting in front of you is just taking your stress interview or something like this, and you get selected for the other interview, like the other round. So you need to be patient. You need to understand what he's saying. HR interview जैसे कि था, तो HR interview was देखो, technical interview actually बहुत बड़ा था जो भी था. HR और MR interview काफी simple था. It was very simple, and it did not have a lot of issues. मेरे को मतलब मेरे को उतना issues नहीं हुआ. So the HR interview was he asked me from where I am, from where my family is, and what do I do. And he gave me a few situations like tell me about yourself. Then he asked me that if you are if something like a few normal situations that how will you describe yourself. Tell me a situation where you were facing an issue. How did you evolve from that? Or like for example, he asked me that there's a situation in which you have a conflict with your colleague or your boss, and then how will you resolve that. Very
हाँ,
simple basic
मतलब
question.
सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन और स्ट्रेस लेवल भी मैच करने.
हाँ, बस बस एचआर बहुत सिंपल था, छोटा था, एंड उतना
हम्म.
कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं था. और
हम्म.
उसके बाद फिर मेरा एमआर इंटरव्यू हुआ. मैनेजरियल
हम्म.
राउंड. मैनेजरियल राउंड वाज वेरी सिंपल. इट कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ ओनली आई गेस 2-3 क्वेश्चंस मैक्सिमम. And managerial interview में there was a lady and she asked me that are you ready to reallocate. Are you ready to go across anywhere pan India? If you are given any bond, because TCS has an year bond, 1 year bond is there in TCS. Okay.
ओके.
So she asked me that if you are, if we give you a bond of 1 year, then are you fine with it? And what is your reaction to it? And then simple questions. That's it. That's it. MR interview was very short, simple, precise. But
हम्म.
you cannot confuse that you are actually selected if you went to the MR interview. You might
ओके.
be, हाँ, ये प्रॉब्लम था. बाकी तो एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी सिंपल एंड प्लेन. जो भी था टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू में ही सबसे ज्यादा फोकस करना है. बाकी एचआर और एमआर इंटरव्यू तुम्हारा मतलब आसान ही था. दैट वाज नॉट मतलब डिफिकल्ट.
So after the commencement of all this round, after how many days you got to know that you are selected in TCS?
आई गेस इट वाज अराउंड इट टेक्स टाइम. ठीक है, 15 days मे बी 15 days
Hmm.
के अराउंड. उसके बाद ही यू विल गेट टू नो.
Okay.
जीवन का लास्ट रिजल्ट टीसीएस का आया था.
Yeah. Okay. So the last question would be Palak, like since अभी कोविड के टाइम में लगभग ऑलमोस्ट एवरी कंपनी का पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है. अभी एसेंचर का भी लाइकवाइज चेंज हुआ पैटर्न. नाउ
हाँ हाँ.
TCS. So what an advice you would give to your juniors, because वो लोग का वो लोग एक तरह से क्या बोले vulnerable हो गए ना, because they would be
हाँ.
suffering these things and they would be going through a first kind of situation. तो
अरे
इसलिए
तो मतलब they are actually ना not focusing on, they have become so stressed out ना कि they are not realizing the fact that actually not much has changed. What all my juniors who texted me on LinkedIn or through your videos, they talk to me. I just informed them. I talked to them. I made them realize कि change उतना नहीं हुआ है. चेंज बहुत कम है. पैटर्न अभी भी उसी टाइप का है. बस ये किया इन्होंने कि थोड़ा इलेबोरेटिव कर दिया ताकि ये लोग
हाँ.
एलिमिनेट ज्यादा कर सके. ये लोग का प्रोसेस और ज्यादा मतलब स्विफ्ट हो सके. एंड सी इट्स वेरी मतलब कि नेचुरल. अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे 1-to-1 मतलब फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यूज इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड ऑल्सो दैट प्लेटफॉर्म जिसमें हो रहा है online written examinations हो रहा है, there's a high probability of people trying, attempting, malpractices. तो ये सारा चीज तो they have to take care in mind.
Yeah, of course.
So I will just suggest you guys कि be patient, be calm, and actually focus on what you have to. instead of focusing about everything else. So
Yes.
हाँ, तो अपना पढ़ाई करो, अपना एग्जाम दो, उसके रिटन क्लियर होगा। अगर पहला रिटन क्लियर हो रहा है ना, इंटरव्यू नहीं अच्छा गया, 2 3 4 ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि नहीं होगा। एंड जो सामने जो बंदी बैठी है ना, शी इज द बिगेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इट। उन्होंने कितने रिटर्न दिए थे, नहीं हो रहा था, नहीं हो रहा था, एंड सी वेयर शी इज राइट नाउ।
Yeah, yeah. Then nobody should ever feel demotivated because you never know when your time would come.
Absolutely. That is all from my side. And thank
Yeah,
you so much, Siddhi, for letting me in.
yeah, no, thanks a lot, Palak, because you are giving us time. And yeah, one more thing, you can, अच्छा तुम्हारा तो LinkedIn profile है ही मेरे पास, I would just mention and see because मुझे messages आते हैं ना कि दीदी ने अभी तक accept नहीं किया तो थोड़ा देखना कि
हाँ
if
हाँ
they,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
I've told them to add a note so that you can recognize them.
हाँ 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 हाँ
So,
भाई।
yeah.
Hmm.
Okay,
Sure.
then thanks a lot, Palak. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you.